Okay. First, you're gonna want to remove your lower ball joint. My other video shows you how to do that, but basically it's just one nut you pull through and this drops off. Then you want to remove this bolt that goes through the bottom A-arm, control arm. You'll see mine is seized in there. I tried to use the bolt and a block to push this through, and actually destroyed the threads on my nut, so I had to order another nut. So don't do that. I loosened it just to give myself some play here, because I need to get my cutting tool into this area. I'm not gonna hit anything. There's not a lot of room to work here. My cutting tool may not go deep enough. Why is that not through yet? Oh, okay, it is through. Let's make sure I'm not cutting the A-arm or the boot. Alright, that sucks. A little piece of scrap metal there to protect the CV boot, since I can't keep a steady freaking hand. So this should work, maybe. Hey! Damn it. Oh, look at that. All the heat allowed it to break loose. Cool. So in hindsight, maybe just heat this up. Oh no, the bolt's still in there. Nope, still not coming out. Okay. Got it. There we go. Well, these have been in here for a while. Okay, so these are the OEM long ones, so these are probably original to the machine. Oh, that works much better. I'm putting in these SuperATV bushing kit. Yeah, this package is for the front. These are all for the rear. Okay, and I got the new bushing kit here. The ones from the factory are softer, longer plastic bushings. These ones are shorter. They're supposed to be made out of a higher quality plastic. I don't know about that. Let's go put these in. Ew, grease. Let's see if I can get this through. Oh, it's just short. Oh, that one was considerably easier. Stay. A little bit of the old copper anti-seize here. All right. Bushing, bolt, bolt goes through. All right, and then we'll tighten that sucker down. No way. Look at that. Alrighty. So far, so good. Alright, I don't want to buy another $20 bolt, so I really hope this comes out. Oh, yes! She's using one of these Harbor Freight pry bars. Sweet. Ah, there it goes. So once you get this out enough, you can just pull that out without taking your grill off. So that's cool. Take these old bushings out, which admittedly is going to be a little bit easier with it not attached. I'm just going to go in a nice air-conditioned basement and do that. I'm looking at this for the top bushings, replace the top ones. This plastic will need to come off. I'm only doing the lowers because those were the only ones that were bad. Maybe one day I'll be back in here and have the gumption to do the uppers that are rock solid. Lower. Come on, get there. Really? What? There we go. I just have to pound those bushings in a little bit. Dear Lord. And the torque for the lower control arm bolt, according to the service manual, is 37 foot-pounds.